How to hide locked chats folder on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado let's get started. Launch WhatsApp. Sign in to your account. At top you can see locked chats. In order to hide locked chats folders on WhatsApp, tap on the locked chats folder. Unlock to continue entering your biometrics. Once you access this page, tap three dots at top right. Select Chat Lock Setting. Here you can get the option to hide lock chats. Simply you need to enable that button. Lock chat won't show on your chat list. To see them, you have to enter your secret code into the search bar into your Chats tab. So simply turn on the button. Now tap Create Secret Code. Then you have to enter your secret code. Tap Next and confirm your secret code. Now the locked chats folder are already hidden. When you come back, you won't see the locked chat even when you scroll to the bottom of your screen. So that is how we can successfully hide locked chats folder on WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.